Imagine waking up to find that your financial situation has significantly improved overnight. It may sound like a dream, but with the law of attraction, you can align your mental energies to invite prosperity into your life. This video will guide you through understanding and utilizing the law of attraction specifically to attract wealth quickly. We will start with the basics of setting your intentions and move on to visualization techniques that are tailored to fostering financial abundance. There's no need to wait. You can begin this very night to transform your financial future. The law of attraction is a universal principle suggesting that positive thoughts bring positive results into a person's life, while negative thoughts bring negative outcomes. It is often summarized with the phrase, like attracts like. When it comes to financial prosperity, this means that by focusing your thoughts and emotions on wealth and abundance, you can attract these elements into your life. And understanding the law of attraction begins with recognizing that your thoughts and feelings shape your reality. If you constantly worry about debts or lack, the universe receives these signals and reflects them back as your reality. Conversely, when you genuinely believe in abundance and visualize yourself as wealthy, you set the stage for financial gains. This mindset shift is crucial and forms the foundation of attracting money overnight. The law of attraction doesn't just work in isolation. It requires you to truly believe in the possibility of your desires manifesting. This belief isn't about hoping or wishing, it's about being confident that what you seek is on its way to you. The certainty in this belief system empowers the universe to act in your favor. Setting intentions is more than just wishful thinking. It's a decisive action toward manifesting your desires. To effectively attract money overnight, your intentions must be clear, precise, and set in the present tense. This means instead of saying, "I want to become wealthy," affirm, "I am wealthy." This present tense language reinforces the belief that you already possess the wealth you desire, making it easier for the universe to make this a reality. To set your intentions, start by writing down the exact amount of money you wish to attract and specify what this money will be used for. This clarity will help focus your thoughts and energies on a specific outcome, enhancing the law of attraction's power. The universe responds to specifics more effectively than vague desires. Next, it's vital to ensure that your intentions are aligned with your true desires and moral compass. The universe also responds to the authenticity of your intentions. If you aim to attract money for reasons that resonate deeply with you, such as improving your life and that of others, your efforts are more likely to be successful. Alignment between your values and your intentions sets a strong foundation for the energy you send out into the universe. To reinforce your intentions, repeat them daily, especially before going to bed and after waking up. These are powerful times when your subconscious mind is most receptive. By doing this, you embed these intentions into your deeper consciousness, making them a part of your everyday thinking and being. Visualization is a powerful method to activate the law of attraction, particularly when your goal is to attract money quickly. This technique involves creating vivid mental images of achieving your financial goals. Visualization works because the mind often doesn't distinguish between real and imaginary experiences. By visualizing your success, you stimulate the same neural networks that activate when you actually experience financial gain. To practice effective visualization, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Now picture yourself as having already achieved your financial goal. Imagine checking your bank account and seeing the amount of money you desire. Visualize what you are doing with the money, whether it's paying off debts, making a large purchase, or investing in your future. See the scenarios in as much detail as possible, what you are wearing, where you are, what emotions you feel. The key is to experience the feeling of joy and fulfillment that comes with achieving financial abundance. This emotional connection reinforces to the universe that you are ready to receive the wealth you visualized. Perform this visualization regularly, especially before going to bed and after waking up. These times are potent as your subconscious mind is most receptive to suggestions. Consistent practice can embed these financial aspirations into your subconscious, making them a fixed part of your expectation and reality. Affirmations are positive, powerful statements that help to reinforce your visualization practices. They work by gradually reshaping your thoughts and eliminating the negative beliefs that may block the flow of wealth into your life. To use affirmations effectively, they should be positive in the present tense and repeated often. Begin by choosing affirmations that resonate with your visualization exercises. For example, if you visualize seeing a specific amount in your bank account, use an affirmation like, "I am grateful for having specific amount to meet all my financial needs and desires." Repeat your affirmations aloud every morning and night, and anytime you find yourself feeling doubtful or anxious about money. It's important that your affirmations feel possible. If a statement feels too unbelievable, your mind might reject it, making it less effective. Start with affirmations that you can believe in and gradually build up to larger financial goals as your confidence grows. Affirmations maintain your focus on your goals and keep your vibrations high, attracting the positive outcomes you've visualized. By integrating visualization and affirmations into your daily routine, you enhance your ability to attract money. These techniques align your mental energy with the frequencies of wealth and abundance, setting the stage for financial gains to flow into your life more readily. Remember, consistency is key. The regular practice of visualization and affirmations keeps your intentions clear and your actions aligned with your goals. Mental blocks are often the biggest hurdles in manifesting wealth. These are deep-seated beliefs about money that can subconsciously hinder your financial success. Common blocks include beliefs such as, money is the root of all evil. I don't deserve to be rich, or wealth will change me for the worse. These negative beliefs can repel the wealth you are trying to attract because they create a mismatch between your desires and your subconscious programming. To remove these mental blocks, start by identifying them. Reflect on your thoughts and feelings about money. What negative beliefs surface when you think about wealth? Awareness is the first step to change. Once you recognize these blocks, challenge them, question their validity, and replace them with positive beliefs that support your financial goals. A practical way to dismantle these blocks is through affirmations, which we discussed earlier. Align your affirmations to directly counteract your negative beliefs. For example, if you believe that you don't deserve wealth, use an affirmation like, "I am worthy of abundance and prosperity." This reaffirms your right to financial success and helps realign your subconscious beliefs with your conscious aspirations. Regular meditation can also aid in clearing these blocks. It quiets the mind and allows you to directly address the subconscious, instilling new positive beliefs. With persistence, meditation can help dissolve the barriers that stand between you and your ability to attract money. Gratitude is another powerful tool in the law of attraction, especially when it comes to manifesting wealth. By focusing on what you already have, you create a mindset of abundance which attracts more abundance. And gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what is already present, sending out positive frequencies to the universe. Start and end your day by listing things you are grateful for. These don't have to be only material. They can include experiences, people, your abilities, and even your dreams. The key is to truly feel grateful as you reflect on these blessings. This genuine feeling of thankfulness emits a powerful vibrational frequency into the universe, which aligns with the energy of abundance. Incorporate gratitude into your daily affirmations as well. Phrases like, "I am grateful for the financial freedom I enjoy," or "I appreciate the abundance in my life and look forward to more," help cement your appreciation and attract further prosperity. Gratitude not only enhances your psychological well-being, but it also prepares you to receive and handle the wealth you desire. It ensures that when the opportunities for financial gain come your way, you are ready to welcome them with open arms. While the law of attraction focuses heavily on mental alignment and visualization, it's equally important to take physical actions that can lead to wealth creation. These actions are the tangible steps you can take to open doors to financial opportunities. First, consider enhancing your financial education. Understanding how money works, learning about investment strategies, and being aware of financial planning basics can significantly improve your ability to manage and grow your wealth. There are many free resources available online that provide valuable information on these topics. Next, look at your current financial habits. Are there areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses? Saving money is often just as effective as earning it when it comes to building wealth. Create a budget that allows you to save a portion of your income regularly. Even small amounts, when saved consistently, can grow over time thanks to compound interest. Consider diversifying your income sources. If you have a primary job, look into side hustles or passive income streams that can add to your earnings without requiring a substantial upfront time investment. This could include online freelancing, investing in stocks or real estate, or even starting a small online business. These practical steps not only increase your financial stability, but also demonstrate to the universe your commitment to improving your financial situation. By aligning your actions with your intentions, you enhance your ability to attract the wealth you are visualizing. Creating and maintaining a positive environment is crucial in supporting your efforts to attract wealth. Your environment includes both your physical surroundings and the people you interact with. Both can significantly influence your thoughts and energy, which in turn affect your ability to attract wealth. Begin by organizing your living and working spaces. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, which hampers your ability to focus and maintain a positive outlook. Ensure your environment is clean, organized, and visually pleasing. This not only improves your mood, but also makes it easier to focus on your wealth attraction goals. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with people who support your goals and exude positive energy. Avoid those who are overly cynical or negative about wealth, as their energy can impact your own. By taking concrete steps towards financial education and income diversification, and by creating a supportive environment, you significantly bolster your law of attraction efforts. Journey and share motivational insights to keep you inspired on your path to financial abundance. Manifesting wealth using the law of attraction is not typically an overnight success, despite our desires for quick results, and it requires patience and persistence. Financial abundance, while certainly possible to attract, often comes gradually as you align your mindset and actions with your financial goals. Patience is key, because it helps you to maintain a positive outlook even when results aren't immediately apparent. Understand that every visualization and every positive affirmation is a step towards creating the energy alignment necessary for wealth to flow into your life. The changes you are making internally and externally are cumulative and exponential in their effects. Persistence is equally important. It's the commitment to continuously apply the principles of the law of attraction, regardless of temporary setbacks or delays. This means consistently practicing your visualizations, affirmations, and maintaining the financial habits you've developed. Each action reinforces your intentions and signals to the universe that you are serious about changing your financial status. The universe operates on its own timeline, and by staying patient and persistent, you remain open to receiving wealth when the time is right. This attitude helps to overcome discouragement and keeps you focused on your goals, ensuring that you do not give up before your efforts can bear fruit. By integrating visualization, setting clear intentions, utilizing affirmations, and fostering a positive environment, you set the stage for attracting the financial success you desire. Remember, your journey towards wealth is powered by your daily actions and the vibrational energy you emit. If you found value in this video and wish to continue learning more ways to harness the power of the law of attraction, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us to keep providing content that can assist you on your journey to abundance. Let's continue to grow together and transform our financial destinies.